guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a makeup tutorial, obviously, I'm sure you know from the title already, but I'm doing a little oldie but goodie throwback tutorial using the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. I figured it would be fun just to use my old palettes, get some more use out of them, because I buy new palettes and then I forget about the old ones that I have and they don't get their deserved attention. So this is the look that I came up with. It's really fun. I'm actually really happy with how it came out. And for those of you who own the Naked 3 palette and are also in the same situation, then here's a little tutorial for you. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you hit that like button before you leave, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel down below and hit that notification bell so that you actually get notified when I post new videos and all that good stuff. And yeah, I think that's all that I really have to say. I hope you enjoy the look and the tutorial, and let's just jump right in. So I'm gonna be real with you, okay? I don't feel like getting all glammed up, not glammed up with the face, but like I'm wearing a sweatshirt because I feel like being comfortable, and that's just how I live my life. So here we are, but I'm going to do my makeup. I already have my brows done, and I just finished setting my lids and cleaning up the brows with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And now we're just gonna hop into the eyeshadow, okay? So for today's throwback oldie but goodie tutorial, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. It's been a while. Long while. I just figured it would be kind of fun to do like throwback tutorials and actually get use out of my old palettes, which I probably shouldn't be putting on my eyes anymore, but I don't want them to go to waste. So here we are. For my eyebrows, just in case you're wondering, I've been using the Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Crayon because it's cheap and I can get it in town. So there you go. So let's see here. I think I'm gonna start with the shade Nooner, which is this shade right here. I'm gonna take this brush right here. This is my Luxie 231 tapered blending brush. And I think I'm gonna do like a spotlight eye or a halo eye. But basically what I'm doing is I'm just going to be tapping it in. I'm gonna zoom you in actually. Kind of just gonna tap it where I want it. And I'm starting with the darker shade because why not? I'm trying something different. And then I'll blend it out with a lighter shade afterwards. I have the worst headache right now. I think I slept too much. I literally fell asleep at 7 o'clock last night. Because I worked from 6 to 2:30, came home, went outside, did like 2 hours of yard work, came in, chilled for a little bit, and then like I crashed. I was so tired. So then I slept like 12 hours. And by the way, I did not set the concealer with any sort of powder because, believe it or not, it actually makes the eyeshadows blend better when it's not set, which is very strange to me. And I know we've believed our whole lives that you were supposed to set the concealer, but it actually works better when you don't. So we're not doing that. I'm gonna take Limit, which is this matte one right here, and I'm going to blend this out. Just going around the edges of all of that we just did. It has been a minute since I've done a makeup tutorial, but that's because I've been working every day of my life and I'm just like tired and I'm unmotivated. And I already have my makeup done when I go to work, so like I hate having to come home, take all my makeup off, and then re-put it on for nothing. I mean, it's obviously for you guys, but like, it's kind of a waste of makeup. And I'm not down for that at this point in my life. Maybe when I have money and can afford to waste that much makeup, then like, sure. But right now, no. So as you can see, blend it out very nicely. I kind of want to put this shade right here, Buzz, on my lid in that empty space that we made. Got it on here. Just spray it down. Now I'm gonna apparently use this as my mirror. Yes. Okay, now I'm gonna take the brush that I had Nooner on and just kind of blend the edges out. And then I kind of want to add another little pop of color to the middle of that just to make it a little bit brighter. So I think what I'm going to do is take this little brush right here. This is my Morphe G15, and I'm going to take Dust, which is this one right here. I'm gonna pop that in the very center of that last shade that we just put on. And I am gonna spray the brush in. Well, that didn't really do anything, but maybe if I try with my finger. Well, that didn't do much, but that's okay. And why did I just wipe that on my pants? Not quite sure. Anyways, I feel like I want to do something else because this isn't enough. So I'm going to take the shade right here, the very last one, Black Heart. And it's like a black with purpley pink sparkles in it. And I'm just going to deepen up the corners a little bit. Not too much, but just a tad. Definitely makes that shade in the middle pop a little bit more. Yes. And then taking Nooner again and just blending that out, making sure that everything is nice and seamless, because I'm sure you've heard that word a million times from beauty gurus, but it is the truth. You want it to be nice and seamless and smoky. Oh yes. All right, I like it. Now that we've got that done, I'm going to hop off camera and go do my face makeup just to save time for the video. And then I will be back and we'll finish the rest of the eyes, the lower lash line, and lipstick. So I will see you in like 1 second with an entire face of makeup on. So my face is done. Every time I talk, my head just like throbs like, oh, do I need to pop my ears? I don't understand, but I don't know. Okay. Okay, so that's what we got going on. Now let's zoom you back into the eyeballs. Here we are. Fierce. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna take this little brush. And you know what, we gotta be careful because we have our foundation on at this point. And I'm gonna take Black Heart, which was that dark black with the purpley flecks in it. I'm gonna take that on the little tiny pencil brush and I'm gonna smudge this on the lower lash line. And then going back in with the brush we used for Nooner, I'm gonna take Nooner and blend that out. And then I'm not gonna put any product on this brush right here. This is what we used for Limit, that like light matte shade that we used. I'm just gonna use that to like blend it all out, but not add any color. Just go around like the whole eye look, make sure that the lower lash line and the lid stuff we got going on all just mesh together. You know the drill. So I'm actually going to take the MILANI highlighter that I used on my face, and I'm going to use this for the brow bone highlight. And I'm like really tempted to put a gold on my inner corner, but I don't want to regret it. I think I'm going to stick with the same highlighter because I don't want to ruin it, throw off the vibes. So for the inner corner, I'm going to spray the brush because I want it to pop a lot. I'm going to take the Colossal Big Shot, my favorite. Zoom out. Thank you. I think I'm gonna try to make it kind of grungy with this lip liner right here. This is one of the NYX Suede Matte lip liners. Never used this one before. How does one get it open? Oh, peel here, okay. This one is in the shade Los Angeles. Sorry, that took me a while to find it. Why is it like that? Can you see that? It's like all weird. My lip liner's molding. I think I might try to zoom you in on my lips so that I can show you how I overline them to make them look natural, but bigger than they really are. So we start from the outer corners where our lips naturally are, and then once we get down here, we're gonna bring it down past our natural lip line. And you can't even see because I'm an idiot. See that? My natural lip is like right here. I brought it down there. But you can't really tell. And for our upper lip, my natural lip line's about right here. But I'm gonna go up here into my Cupid's bow. See that? That's where my natural lip line is. And I brought it up here. Then we bring it down and connect it to where our natural lip is. And now I'm going to take my OFRA liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Manila. And I'm going to fill in my lips with that. And there we go. The last thing that I think I kind of want to do is take my eyebrow pencil and I kind of want to recolor in my little mole over here. There we go. All right, you guys, so here is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you thumbs it up for me before you exit out and subscribe to my channel down below and hit that notification bell. I think I already said this in the beginning of the video, which I filmed 2 seconds ago, but it's at the beginning of the video, so I'm reminding you again, like, subscribe, notification bell, comment down below anything you want to see from me, etc. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!